Hey there, Kalena from Voice Savvy, coming right back at you with another video. So for those of you that are singers that are leading very busy lives and you're finding that you don't have that much time to practice your vocals, well, this video is for you. It is a 5-minute vocal workout that we're going to be doing. 5 minutes of your time to ensure that your voice stays in top shape. So let's do this. Doing something is better than doing nothing. The main purpose of this workout is to encourage comfort and keep us away from unnecessary tension. We want to just allow the voice to really get that movement happening. We want the vocal cords to gradually flex and stretch as we work out your voice. So let's do this. So are you ready? Your 5 minutes starts here. Make sure you grab your straw or your vocal tube because we are about to go.
Going from a comfortable low note to a comfortable high note and then back down again. Imagining that you're going over hills with the sound of your voice and really engaging your abdominal muscles. Only go where it's comfortable for your voice. Alleviating that tension and pressure in the voice with the lip trill, just keeping it nice and relaxed. Engaging chest voice resonance with this one, the lip trill, and then opening up into the vowels that are going to encourage that chest voice resonance. Be mindful of not getting too heavy with this. You can try smiling to really lift and brighten the sound if you find that it's getting too heavy, but it is important that you're really engaging chest voice with this. This one is about engaging head voice resonance so that you're working out your upper range. Be mindful of your airflow and your effort levels. Keep it as relaxed as possible. Keep it relaxed. Don't overdrive the sound.
Bop, 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 bop. Keep this going. Bop, 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 bop. We're coming up. Keeping it nice and relaxed. All the way up. Well, not all the way up. Just a few more to go. And then we'll bring it back down. Good, one more. And then back down. Let's go. Keeping it going, keeping it going. Keeping that bob going. Keeping it nice and chilled. Gradually letting your vocal cords flex and stretch. And just one more after this. And this is the last one. Meow.
The bratty meow for mixed
meow,
voice.
meow, 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 meow,
Keeping
meow,
it
meow,
relaxed,
meow,
keeping
meow,
your
meow.
effort levels to a
Meow.
minimum.
Meow, 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 meow.
And you want to make that sound, that bratty, witchy sound, really annoying.
Meow.
You just got to get a little bit silly with this one.
Meow. Meow, 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 meow. 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 Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow. So I hope you found this video helpful. As I've mentioned, it's all about just making sure that you're really getting a little bit of a vocal workout in there. Doing something is better than doing nothing, but we want to make sure that we're keeping your voice in the best place possible during your busy season. But that is it from me. If you're loving these videos, then subscribe below. See you again in the next video. Peace.